This tutorial will walk you through how to make a cute cat ear fleece hat. You can download the free pattern for this by following the link in the description below. It's a pretty easy tutorial that really only requires some leftover remnants of fleece fabric. We'll start by getting the ears prepped. Sew the ears together with right sides together. And then trim the seams and turn them to the right side. Next, you want to fold the sides of the cat ears and baste them in place. With right sides together, sew the two sets of hat pieces. Now you are going to baste the cat ears on the top of one of the hat sides. And then sandwich the cat ears between the two hat pieces and sew along that center seam. Trim the seam and turn the hat to the right side. Now we're going to get the band at the bottom of the hat ready. Fold the band in half and sew along the shorter side to create a loop. Then you want to trim the seam and fold the band in half lengthwise. Line up the raw edges and sew the band around the base of the hat. Then trim the seam and press the band down. And you're already finished. You have a cute and simple cat ear fleece hat.